Why National Museums of Kenya is important? We are also mandated to document the cultures. You see, we have generations to come. If we do not document, they will not relate with the culture. So we preserve also the tangible heritage in terms of the corrections that we make, the artifacts. They are so important because they give us identity. And we are happy even to partner because that task that we have been given by the government of Kenya, it is a national mandate for us to work with other institutions because we cannot say that we can do it alone.
Can we come up with a curriculum that is promoting culture? Because she has said that the future generations may not even know that a Maasai woman used to dress like the way I'm dressed. They may not know. Perhaps this attire will disappear and they don't see the value of this. Can we preserve and pass it over for posterity so that those who will come after us 30, 40 years from now, the culture is still rich? Not just the Maasai culture, but even the cultures of wherever we come from. Because each and every community represented here has a rich culture, but we are not bringing it out. We think that it's primitive, and fortunately, the British came and told us that we must put on a suit and a tie. And we borrowed it heavily. How are we going to ensure, as the National Museums and Masai Mara University, that we drive this cultural heritage issue so that we even do a memorandum and take to the head of state and say, look, we want Kenya to have a national dress. And this is what we are proposing. We are proposing a dress made of Maasai blanket, decorated with the sisal from the Luos. I don't know which one is your attire. We bring in a blend of all this. It is possible. And why don't we have a national cultural week where we can say this week, in every county of the 47 counties, let the counties celebrate their rich culture so that children don't forget this.